The average human life consists of 27,500 days. Each day, metaphorically, is a blank slate, which we liven on, which we draw something. This object consists of 27,500 sheets laid in a single line, and therefore represents a metaphor of life, full of possibilities.